this your boy, I'm back at it with another unboxing video. I know, it's been a hot minute since y'all heard me say those beautiful words. Like, personal wise, I haven't done an unboxing video in like 7 months. Like, that's crazy. 7 months without doing an unboxing video. It is what it is. Sneaker review wise, I haven't done one in like a couple months. Like, couple months, 3 months, whichever one it is, but this one, I'm actually pretty excited for because, whew, I've been wanting a pair of these, like, for the longest, but y'all know resale for them is crazy, and I wouldn't mind any, like, well, there's certain colorways I like, but these one I should do, like, obviously pictures don't do them justice, so I have to see them in hand, but what's in here? Whew, I got it for a good price too. Oh man, I'm actually happy. I actually did do a poll on Instagram. I will reveal it in a moment. So let's just go ahead and get straight into it. Got my gold knife. So I did get this off of Go. You know, shout out Go. Not sponsored by them or anything like that. Just, you know, shout out to them. And I ain't gonna hold you. I literally thought I was gonna miss out on it because they said it was gonna come between 11 and 2 or whatever, and it actually came when I got home from work, so I'm actually happy about that. And yeah, open this up. I thought I needed the knife again. And what your boy got is pretty amazing. And if you can look, yes, your boy got the 700, and as I can see, the box is pretty fucked up, but hey, it don't matter. We got the YEEZY 700s, bro. Y'all know, I've been wanting a pair of these, either the V1s or the V2 for the longest, specifically the V1s, but wanting a pair of these for a very, very long time, and I'm just happy that I got them. Like I said, I got them from Go. I can't wait to look. I'm gonna look at them first, you know, make sure everything's good before I show y'all. And let's look. I can't wait to show y'all. You know, got your Go sticker and, you know, punch your card from Go. Like I said, shout out to Go. These bad boys looking good. So the boy got the YEEZY 781 wash orange. Sheesh. The very first time holding a pair of 700s in hand. These look dope, bro. Like I said, pictures do not do them justice. Yeah, I can definitely see the different color on the shoe. Man, these are dope. I gotta pull out the other shoe. Make sure that one is good. Yeah, everything about this shoe is good. Like, here's the other shoe. The wash orange. Like I said before, but I prefer the other ones, like the wave runners, so whatever it is. But hey, I will take what I can get. Now, let's talk about it for a minute, right? So, first off, when I posted these on my, well, not posted, when I posted that I was gonna have some sneakers come in the mail, I did a post, letting people, you know, just like, you know, letting people, like, just like, what shoes I getting in. If you said these, you are right. One of them actually, Matt Sampson, like, for whatever reason, every time I do a poll about sneakers, it's like he gets the sneakers that I'm getting right. I don't know, like, obviously because I probably talked about it, but even then, it's like this man knows exactly what shoes I'm going to get when I do a poll. So, shout out to Matt Sampson. Make sure you guys subscribe to his channel. You know, looking in the description, I will have a picture somewhere on the screen somewhere. Make sure you guys go subscribe to the channel. He really got some really dope sneaker content over there. But yeah, these is, whew. These are clean. Like, these are clean. Like, the price that I got them for is even better. So, like I said, I was want to pay $700. I was going through Go or whatever. And by the way, these are vacation sneakers, by the way. So, I was going through Go, typed in 700, trying to see, what shoes I could get. Even like in the used section, I wouldn't mind paying $200 for them, but I'm like, it is what it is. Then I seen the Wash Orange, they cool, look like the Wave Runners and whatnot. The person I was selling them for had it for $152. $152, and then shipping and tax came into $177. I'm not even lying. I'll post a picture right here, like $177, or in this case $152 for some 700s, bro. And they're real. Like that was the only thing though. I was praying, hoping they were real, and they were real, and I'm just happy. Whew. A pair of 700s in the collection, bro. Like I said, it's basically like the Wave Runner, obviously with some differences, of course. Like I said, I will be doing a full-on review of both of the shoes, of course. And like I said, you cannot wait. Definitely gonna try them on to see how they feel and whatnot. But I mean, yeah, like I said, they're used. Obviously you see a little bit of dirt on the bottom. Obviously some creasing on the shoe. You probably can't see it too much, but there is creasing on the shoe, on both shoes. But like I said, the price for it, I had to snag it up. I had to, just had to snag them up. But I'm happy. Like I said, cannot wait to try these ones to see how they feel and whatnot. What do you guys think? Was this a steal, an instant cop, or do you guys think I should have got something else? Who knows? Honestly, like I said, I do like the color. So I'm definitely gonna go well with a couple of outfits that I'm gonna have for vacation, so definitely stay tuned for that. So I'm about to go ahead and end it here because it's already 7 minutes. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and share this video. I was on my other video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram so I get updated when I post. And like I said before, full-on review of this shoe coming soon. I don't know when exactly, because like I said, I've been working a whole lot, especially this season. I know the holiday season is coming up, so I'm going to be working a whole lot more. So I don't know when exactly. Like I said, I gotta work on the on fee. Then let you guys know, how the shoe is and whatnot, the materials and whatnot, and yeah, that's about it. But like I said, I cannot wait to try this one after I end this vid. So yeah, like I said, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the full review of the shoe. And yeah, this was a dope cop. This was a dope cop. 152. You can't get better than that. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.